don't wanna keep no ultimatum. If you wanna come stay up, if you wanna come pay up. Work in the morning, finna wake up yawning. Tryna keep up with a real one, don't got no obligations. At least for today, at least you can stay for as long as you can, babe. As long as you wanna, everything's in the air.
Welcome to Vlogmas! Hey y'all, today is actually Sunday, the next day. I'm on my way to church, but I didn't film an intro for this video. So I'm like, let me go ahead and introduce the video. Me and my family are going out and we're gonna go bowling, laser tag, and play arcade games. It's just gonna be a fun time, a super cute, chill vibe. So it's nothing crazy, a lot of montages, a lot of funny clips here and there. And then this is how intense it got. I broke a nail. So
Off on the cricks, we got a whole lot of cricks, you got a whole lot of cricks, and I wanna see what you do.
For your name as just Atlantis?
yeah.
So just like,
You can put my name as Aladdin. You put the wrong person in charge of me. Ayannis is crazy.
Ew, that was actually probably ugly. So don't put that in there.
Oh, I'm putting it in. Stay right there, mama. Try not. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. Ready? Ready? Push it, push it, push it!
yeah.
You messed me up!
Jump on your hippos!
Why is Rudy broken?
Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna stay, then I'll play. Yeah.
These are the face-off winner and winner runner-up. Thank you, thank you. Oh! Oh!
Take me over.
I don't know. No, you want to go first. You make decision. Oh, we're supposed to be two.
Look it up. Yeah.
Wait, what? Holy shit, that's cheating! Yeah, that's cheating! No! They cheated. Oh, yeah. She's into that shit. She looks terrified. Yeah, I have it.
Think I'm gonna stay.
Right hand.
Not gonna lie.
Get way, then you can get away. Play with me, babe. Play with me, babe.
We're going to play laser tag. I switched over to my phone because I'm not gonna bring my camera in there, and hopefully I could just get some shots on my phone. But we're switching over to laser tag.
I never played laser tag.
Never?
No.
Wait, teams. It's twos, right? Teams. Oh wait, no, there's 5. Damn.
All of us against Bob.
Oh yeah. Boom shakalaka. Pull this. Pull it. Oh God, I'm gonna have to pull for days. What does that mean? What does that mean? Yo, where's my points?
I got 25,000.
You know what's wrong? I wasn't pressing these buttons. I was just shooting.
Me too.
You gotta check your gun.
Oh, check my gun.
It just says low
14,000.
battery.
Oh, I got more than
Mine just says low. I broke a nail. Listen,
I did.
I'm
I
weak.
you got
got it? You got it? Wow. I lost my earrings, y'all. It was a tough game. Ah! Yo, you know what's tough when the bald head starts sweating. Look at that. Yo. That is gonna be all for today's video. Y'all, it's so short, so cute, so simple. I just really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and had fun watching as much as we had fun yesterday, spending some time as a family. And I loved it so much. I had so much fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. At the end of the videos, I want to close off, but I just get so repetitive because I never want to end it. But if you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that subscribe button down below. I am posting for 25 days straight. I'm holding myself accountable. I ain't kissing that, but I'm gonna do what I do, you know? But anyways, I would love to have you stay longer, so go ahead and catch up on Vlogmas if you have not already, or go ahead and binge all of my other videos, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.